Understanding the phrases pool depth. Hello dear learners. In today's video, we're diving into the phrase pool depth. No, we're not literally jumping into a pool, but we will explore what this phrase means in English. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, let's break the phrase down into its individual words. 1. Pool. A pool is a constructed place, usually a large hole filled with water, where people can swim or play. 2. Depth. Depth refers to the distance from the top surface of something to its bottom. Together, pool depth refers to how deep a pool is from its surface to the bottom. Understanding the depth of a pool is crucial for a few reasons. 1. Safety. It's essential for swimmers to know the pool's depth to ensure they don't dive into shallow water, which can lead to injuries. 2. Swimming skills. Beginners might prefer shallow areas, while advanced swimmers might want deeper sections for diving or swimming longer distances underwater. 3. Pool maintenance. Knowing the depth helps determine the volume of water in the pool, which is crucial for water treatments and maintenance. Most public pools and some private ones have depth indicators. These can be 1. Markings on the pool edge. These are usually tiles or painted marks indicating the depth at various points in the pool. 2. Floating depth markers. These float on the surface and move with the water but are anchored to the pool floor. Always look out for these indicators before diving or jumping in, especially if you're unfamiliar with the pool. So there we have it. Pool depth is all about understanding how deep the water is in a pool. It's not just a phrase but an essential aspect of pool safety and enjoyment. Remember to always check the pool's depth before diving in. Stay safe, and happy swimming!